Sicon Document Automation utilises the very latest Azure cognitive technology, OCR, to read and extract relevant document content. Once installed and configured, simply emailing supplier invoices to a unique address starts the automation process. Drag and drop functionality is also available, with everything thereafter handled directly inside of Sage 200. To ensure continuous improvements in the accuracy of invoice recognition, functionality is available to allow users to train the system, increasing the quality of content read. This highly adaptable solution further streamlines the accounts payable process through a number of selectable options, such as three-way matching of invoices to purchase orders. Once processed, Sicon Document Automation works seamlessly with Sicon Invoice Approvals for multi-level online approval of invoices and credit notes. Functionality is further enhanced to include the automation of customer purchase orders to sales order creation. This includes powerful line-level extraction, which is also available for purchase invoices and credit note recognition. All of these features and much more provide an ideal solution for companies wanting to streamline their business processes whilst maintaining control over costs. Key features: Azure Cognitive Technology, OCR. Sicon Document Automation is written within the Sage 200 development environment using advanced image recognition technology to read and extract data, allowing documents to be automatically processed. Bulk processing. Email and/or drag and drop PDF invoices and customer purchase orders. Once validated, these can be bulk processed, providing large time savings whilst ensuring the user maintains control. Documents requiring manual intervention can still be processed with the same area, further providing user control. Data ownership. By using the customer's own Exchange Online account, they retain data security by not having emails sent to a third party. Key benefits. Processing and validation of documents is carried out within Sage 200, meaning there is nothing else to install, no extra software to learn or use, and no extra user licenses are required for Sage 200. Document bundle prices are per document and not per page, based on a fair usage of 1 to 5 pages per document. Auto-processing of invoices to the purchase ledger and matching to purchase orders with little or no user interaction. Make use of Sicon Approvals for approval of variances in purchase invoices and orders. This provides the ability to have advanced approval processing. Specify at a module or supplier level if a purchase order would be expected to match to an invoice, if goods received notes should be confirmed before matching an invoice, or if invoices can be processed with no purchase order because they are a utility supplier or someone not requiring an order. Advanced training options for purchase order to sales order creation enables the system to read and store customer part numbers against the correct stock record, delivery codes and tax rates. Seamlessly works alongside Sicon projects to allow the training and reading of project information directly from the document. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.